Or it might be getting some momentum here. We're going to see. AI Trading Futures. It's Jim. Friday morning on the 6th February. Previous video, we did the market recap. Look at the overnight stuff. Kind of look at some key areas. Got the Trade Brigade frozen on the screen behind me. So we look at what he marked off this morning, Matt. Trade Brigade. Really good morning prep. Of course, AI does it for me. So I've got all the stuff on my cell phone over here ready to go. This is how it's been since I got in this morning. We really hadn't had any action since that VWAP break right there. Where's the VWAP? What's going on here? It's too far down, isn't it? There she goes. Reset at the open, but right there in the middle of the night, 1925, somewhere around in there. A nice little break. Nice break here, too. Higher highs held up pretty good. If you took that trade overnight, kudos. Let's see what we got, though. We're trying to find us a trade here, everybody. Get this day going. Had a heck of a day yesterday. I recommend you go back and watch all the episodes from the 5th of February, 2026. It's a masterclass in DCA for sure. Did go down about 15 or 16 grand there. Came right back and then had a stellar day, over 40,000. Lots of good trades, lots of learning opportunity. Dust off the keyboard there. And let's see what we got here. It feels a little bit slow this morning, actually. Feels a little bit slow. I was trying to get some of the special sounds in there, but it's not as easy as it looks because I don't want people's logo to pop up on the screen when I hit my media controller buttons. And so I'm going to have to do a little bit of manipulating of the files so that's not there. Or find out where the setting is not to display the visual of that playing, or make that visual such a one little small pixel so it'll come up and go away off camera, and it won't be there. Right now when I hit it, it's hideous. It's the icon attached to it that pops up is the advertisement for the company that I bought the snippets from. Yeah, it's like, I'm paying you for that. That should be my logo popping up there. Anyway, it can be, and I can edit the files. I don't have time to do it before the market gets going. That's the stuff you got to do when you got enough time to do it. And so I should have worked on it yesterday afternoon. I didn't know it was going to be that much of a pain, but I did get all the software downloaded. So under docs, we do have the soundboard now. Soundboard is in there. That's what it looks like. And it's simple as doing this. You can just go like a red pill or SOB. There's one I got in there, SOB. Go look it up real quick. And how about that one? Show me the money. We'll do that one instead. Let's see here. There it is. Show me. Got it on. Hit it. Show me the money! There you go. But it pops up their advertisement. So I need to figure out how to get that not to do that. So that's it. And then it's not playing on the second tap like it wants to be reset. Show me the money! I got it. It's got to be looped, I guess. Yeah, I have to hit refresh. There we go. You ready, Terry? Like every other time, it doesn't work. So it's buggy. It's real buggy. So I'm just going to leave it for now. Turn it off. And this is what we got. Got my custom trading music in the background, and we're going to just make money here. Hopefully. Chop City, guys, not much we can do. I'm waiting for a nice bookmap run, and I'll take it. She's got me on 25 neutral. And so waiting for bookmaps. It's all we can do. Sit here and wait. Be patient. Give you money away in this. You always would be off on this. I've not had anybody that could think that they could trade something like this. You just can't. This is not tradable. This is the machines going back and forth. Same machines, actually. Moving it in, moving it out, creating liquidity, what have you. Like, look for some different areas, maybe own your book maps. If you're so inclined, I'll have this more robust next week. I'm actually going to try to do some trading from book maps, inside of book maps. Everybody wants to see different ways of doing it. So might as well try it. I have not done that. I done like 1 or 2 trades in a simulation mode long time ago. Only vaguely remember that. Let's see. It feels slow, and I feel slow today. Everything feels slow today, huh, Kiki? Everything feels a little slow today. Get up here close to that 828 area. I'll go ahead and I'll capture that video and then we'll restart it so we can stay with you through the first 5 minutes of the opening. Get the 1 minute ORB, get the 5 minute ORB, get some Bookmaps confirmations. I'm getting the Spidey tingly senses. See if we can't put some money in the bank. Got the new DG system there. It's the first is 1,000, and then they move up. Then it goes to 2,500, and then they move up in 2,500 increments. So you make 1,000 is DG1. Daily goal 1, and then you add 1,500 to that to make it 2,500. That's DG2. DG2 is all most people need, including me, but you just keep going. Don't give it back. Have your risk management under control so you don't give the markets back till you're on the house money. Get to pass that first 1,000. You could be on the house money. Take your bets about smaller and just preserve and just grind and keep grinding more money. Keep grinding more money, sticking to your rules, the big 3, win-loss ratio, loss to win dollar amount ratio, and then your time in trade ratio. That's your 3 matrix. That's our 3 main ones. There's a lot of ways to measure a trader, but that's the 3 main ones. If your win-loss is 70, that's good. If your losers are 500 and your winners are 1,000, that's good. That's the baseline. You want it to be better than that. I'd rather be $300 losses and $1,000 wins. That's what I shoot for anyway. Sometimes I still, did it today. You just want to see some green after commissions, right? That gives you your target so you can measure yourself by. And what did I do wrong? Why did I keep this loser that long? That's usually this biggest first stat killer is just hoping that your loser is going to come back on you, especially when it's your own money in there. Once you get past that, it does take a little mental power, but once you get past that part, then things do start getting easier. Like, subscribe, share. Like, subscribe, and share. Mix 2 words there together. Comment down below. Go out to the website. There it is right there on your screen, AITradingFutures.com. And let's grab your freebies. Pick it apart. Let me know what you think needs to be changed. And we'll tell those 4 AI to change it. Human button pushers is all we need to be. Just one step below an actual bot. You certainly could turn all this on to auto trade for you. I have gotten it to that level. If you go get those guides over there, you see the number 6, I believe. 6 is coding and automation companion. That's basically how I got the AI set up. You're gonna have to write your own scripting. That's proprietary to me, but I'll give you the walkthrough in those free guides of how to do that. Yeah, we're probably about 10 minutes away. It's 8:18 before we start getting that 1 or 2 minute settlements. And I do like trading that last 3 minutes before the actual open. If we can get a nice Bookmaps direction, you can pull out some money right there. It is whippy, and you couldn't even ponder doing that if you didn't have your Bookmaps and your widgets. And that's how important that it is for trading that real high volatility 1 or 2 minute spikes there. And so we're going to let this video go until about 10 minutes or so, and then we'll jump over there. I was hoping to take a trade for you guys, but there's no trade to take. So this video here is just about patience. Patience, looking at the markets. We only have 2 little 30-second ASHI candles right there that didn't have a bottom tail, but they were just hovering on EMAs, no breakouts. And so we're just in that pre-market lull, which hopefully will go away here in about 10 minutes. I'm on the button. I am waiting because you never know when it's going to come. If you look back on all your mornings, sometimes it's at 8:27, sometimes at 8:28, sometimes not until 8:31 past the first minute. But you will get those volatility spikes that we love to trade really quick into, grab a few points. And then that's when you got to be in there and watching your gauges, your widgets really, really close here. We've got the volume pressure and the price change. If both of them are pegged one way and you got the noise in the background from the alert giving you how strong that it is. The sounds is how strong that it is. You don't always get sounds. You got the threshold set certain ranges each day. And so that's when we will, that's a nice impulse. It is 95, but I need to see a candle at least on a 30-second close above EMAs. And then you just get a little bit more direction, because watch how this will come right back on you. Watch how this will come right back. That might be the impulse. We have had a few impulses this morning. There's one, there's a couple, 1, 2, 3. This is a little, here we go. We're opening above it, but watch this. I'm going to close, at least get a 30-second candle close above all of the EMAs, and then I'll start to see if the hair of my neck starts to go up. And but on a 1 minute basis, we really want some candles to close below or above. We've only had that over here, and when we did, we got a little nice separation of a run between the red, white, and the blue, 5, 10, and 20. Red, white, blue, 5, 10, 20. Yeah, we've already wicked down there all the way to the 20. We don't have a clear crossover. If we're thinking about taking the longs, I really like the EMAs to be red, white, blue. And you're reading from top down. And if I'm taking shorts, I want to read from the bottom up, red, white, blue. That'd be 5, 10, 20. That is considered healthy for exponential moving average interpretation. And then no matter what, Bookmaps has got to give me my entry. Otherwise, you're just getting whipsawed all around, and you're just trading to trade. You got to have some confluences. And so if we get on up here, and we're past halfway on RSI on the 30-second. We're only on the 5 minute. 5 minutes coming through halfway. We'll see how it goes here. I'll be right back on the next one. AITradingFutures.com. Jim Daniels here, human button pusher. Like, subscribe, share, hit that notification bell, comment down below. Go over to the website, grab all the freebies, make them your own. I'll be right back.